Hello, welcome to Upper Mold. We are a professional mold making and plastic injection molding manufacturer. Plastic injection molding is a process to inject the melted plastic material into a mold under high pressure. After the mold is fully filled and the plastic is frozen out, the mold opens up and the part can be ejected out. During this process, there are many basic plastic injection molding defects, and today our main topic is about weld line. So what is a weld line? At the beginning of injection molding process, the melted plastic material enters into the mold and the gas splits into several flows. And during later filling process, these flows will meet up again in the mold. These material flows are typically cooler than the material behind them. When these flows meet, they are not completely well together. Then it will leave a line on the part surface. Sometimes this line looks like a scratch, and sometimes it looks like a tick shape and even a tail next to the molded hole or aperture. So how to deal with the weld line? The easiest way is getting rid of the holes and apertures in the first place. I have seen some customers remove the certain holes and have them drilled after the molding. But let's say we cannot change the part design and it's down to the molder to improve the situation. First, we can increase the mold temperature, but in this way, the cycle time will be longer since the part needs longer time to be cooled down and frozen out. To solve this problem, we can add more cooling circuits in the mold. And another way is to heat and cool the mold by using a specialized heat and cooling cycle. Second, we can change the injection gate and the runners to inject the material into a different location. Third, we can also do some textures on the mold surface, which can disguise the effect. And finally, we can do some post-processing, like painting, to cover the effect. So that's all today, and I hope it will be helpful for you to do product development. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you next time.